guys, if you are looking for a safe and effective way to grow your hair, let's try this one ingredient recipe for hair growth. It is hibiscus leaves. Yes, I'm sure one way or the other you've seen this herb somewhere. This is hibiscus flowers that have been dried. I'm sure one way or the other you've seen these herbs and you've heard of its several benefits for the hair. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you what hibiscus leaves can do for your hair, whether you put it on your hair or whether you consume it as a tea. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe for more videos and more updates. So yes, we are doing hibiscus tea, and as you saw me do, I just infused it in water. I used warm water and then left it to sit for about 15 minutes and then strained it. This is so simple to make. If you want to use it as a spray on your hair, it goes with this formula. If you want to use it as a tea, this formula is also good, but just that you have to boil it, actually boil it, yes. Hibiscus is a herb that I can never do without. I like it because it contains amino acids that can help stimulate blood circulation on the scalp, which eventually encourages hair growth. If you've been on this page, you know that I don't joke with hibiscus leaves. You know, it's very, very beneficial, so I never joke with it. So this can be like an evening routine for you or a daily routine for you, depending on the porosity that you have. For me, I have a medium porosity, meaning that my hair dries pretty quickly, not very fast. I'm really still trying to figure out the porosity I have, but then I'll stick to medium for now. So I spray it on my scalp, focus on my edges because my edges has had a hell in life, yeah. So I spray it and then focus on my edges and then try my best to massage it very, very well. Hibiscus will not really stain your clothes. I hear people saying that want to stain my dress, want to do this, want to do that. No, it's not going to do anything like that. It depends on how you use it. Yes, you should be very careful not to stain your whole body. So make sure you do well to focus on the scalp. You know, hair growth begins from the scalp. So when you focus on the scalp, you are able to really send the nutrients in the hibiscus right onto the scalp. Yes, right onto the scalp. If you are looking for a way to thicken your hair, please believe in Ayurvedic herbs. They are magical. They are very, very powerful. I am a testimony to it. Yes, I'm really on a quest to really grow my hair very long in 2024. And some of the steps I'll be sharing them right here. So I follow up with this Ayurvedic oil I got from Vida store, and it's so good. Like, I used this oil for about 2 weeks and I saw significant difference on my scalp. For instance, my scalp is a work in progress, but this oil is really, really a game changer. So guys, if you are looking for something to strengthen your hair, help support hair growth, condition your hair, please don't go any further. Hibiscus leaves is your best bet. Another way to use hibiscus leaves is to just rinse it on your scalp after you wash your hair. So after you wash your hair, you just boil a little and then rinse it on your scalp and you are done. You don't need to rinse it out completely. And then I also mentioned the tea. It's a good tea for you. It contains antimicrobial properties and it's going to fight a lot of infections if you drink it for a while. So let me say, if you make it a morning tea routine, it's going to really, really help you. It's going to boost your immune system. And you know, when your immune system is boosted, it encourages hair growth. So let me know if there's something you'll be trying at home, either the tea or the spray or just a scalp rinse. Yes, my name is Lydia once again. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, this is the first time you are stopping by this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm giving you updates on how to take care of your hair, your beautiful hair that is on your scalp. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have any questions, suggestions, topics you want me to cover. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till next time, bye.